If your plank lasts longer than your playlist, chances are you're doing it wrong. This exercise can build a rock-solid core that powers every lift, from squats to deadlifts to pull-ups. But if you make these common mistakes, your plank turns from powerful to pointless. Let's fix that. Mistake number 1. Chasing time instead of form. If your only goal is to last longer, you're missing the point. A long plank with bad form is useless. Focus on perfect form first, then increase intensity. The moment your form breaks, stop, reset, and go again. Mistake number 2. Crossing your hands. It might feel comfortable, but it weakens your shoulders and kills core tension. Keep your forearms straight, press your palms into the ground, and stay tight. Mistake number 3. Looking up. Tilting your head up puts stress on your neck and throws your spine out of alignment. Keep your head down, eyes on the floor, and your body in a straight line. Mistake number 4. Not engaging your core. If you're just holding the position without activating your abs, you're wasting your time. Try pulling your elbows toward your toes to create real core tension. Mistake number 5. Letting your hips sag. When your hips drop, your lower back takes over and your abs stop working. Keep your legs straight, squeeze your glutes, and maintain a straight line. Mistake number 6. Lifting your hips too high. If your body forms a V shape, your core isn't doing the work. Keep your body aligned from head to heels in one straight line. Keep your hips, heels, and core locked in one straight, solid line. Mistake number 7. Poor breathing. If your plank looks like a breath-holding contest, you're doing it wrong. This isn't about setting a free diving record. It's about training your core. Holding your breath or taking shallow chest breaths shuts your core down and kills effectiveness. Instead, breathe deeply into your belly. Inhale, brace, and exhale while maintaining full body tension. You'll feel your abs engage instantly. Oxygen is free. Use it. Mistake number 8. Lazy shoulder blades. Letting your shoulder blades relax reduces both tension and stability. Instead, actively push the ground away so your shoulder blades move forward slightly, creating a strong and stable upper back. Not a hunch, just controlled tension. Mistake number 9. Shrugging your shoulders. If your shoulders are creeping up toward your ears, you're shifting the load to your traps and making the plank less effective. Keep your shoulders down, strong, and active by pushing the floor away. Mistake number 10. Bent legs. Bent legs turn your plank into an easier version with weaker results. As soon as your knees relax, the rest of your body follows. A proper plank is a full-body effort, not a half-hearted one. Keep your legs straight, squeeze your quads, and keep your feet close together. A wider stance might feel more stable, but it actually reduces the challenge.